Here we are. This is before the feast at Virginia and Greg's house. We're just checking out what we have. Here's some appetizers, cheese log, some hot pretzel dip. We've got a basket of twist bread from the Ford City Bakery and some homemade cornbread that Janet made. I believe that's stuffing underneath that aluminum foil. There's Carolyn's famous cranberry orange stuff. Oh, and look, there's Virginia, the hostess with the mostest.
Hi,
Say
happy
hello.
Thanksgiving.
Okay, we'll continue on here. Oh, there's the stuffing. Oh, that was mashed potatoes over there, in case you missed that. Then we've got the turkey undercover. Here's some salad toppings, walnuts, grape tomatoes. There's the variety of things to put on your salad, mandarin oranges, craisins. There's the greens. Carolyn's sweet potato casserole is right there. And there's Val made this cranberry jello salad concoction. Oh, look, that's